RIVET Repair Zone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this RIVET-EZE 2 tool properly. Something that I don't find on the internet, YouTube, so I'm making a video of it. So this here is the riveting part. This is the puncher. I don't even use that. I just use a punch that'll knock the rivets out. I knock the head off with a chisel, and then I use a punch. Use a chisel to knock the head off, and I use a punch to knock it through. It's a lot faster. But what you do is you take a new rivet. What I was doing was I was putting it from the top, and I was putting this on this way, and it's actually the wrong way to do it. So I'm going to show you the proper way. You take the rivet with the already factory head and you put it in from underneath. And what we're doing now is this part here holds the factory head. And you screw this down. Make sure it's on the factory head. There we go. Now as it turns, I wonder if we can get this on here. Oh yeah. Once you turn it, it'll make a new head on the rivet. There, that's about it. There we go, we got a little bit of a rivet on there. Okay, in this shot we're gonna show you how to take one out. Just line it up, make sure everything's straight so you don't break your pin, your pusher pin. Just push right out nicely. It's going right through the drive, and also I might have to knock it out with a hammer and chisel at the end here. Okay, well, I got that one out. It was being stubborn. And what I was told here, see the end sticking out? Here's the diameter of the rivet. You want it to be about the same height as the diameter of the rivet sticking out. I had to cut these ones because they were a little bit too long. Now we're going to try this again, because I think I cut the other one a little bit too short. Now it's in there. You see we have a little divot right here. That's where the factory head of your rivet goes, from the bottom up. So I'm going to put that in here. Find my spot where it's supposed to go, put this down. I'm hoping you guys can see this here. Okay, now it's on the head. It'll move back and forth, which is okay. Now we'll tighten it up. I'll move this over a bit here. Maybe see. So this way you don't have to take it off or use two hammers. The hammer's a little bit more awkward. This works great. You can find one of these old tools. I don't know if you could buy them anymore. So just crank it up till you see it's touching, and it should be good. You don't need to crank it too tight. Okay, we'll see what kind of job we made. Oh, perfect. Looks nice. It's about the same as the other one. Basically, that's all you do. If you don't like the way that looks, you just take a hammer, hold it from underneath, a little bigger hammer, give it a couple. Basically, that's it. That's all you do with the RIVET-EZE 2. Right, hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Half of you, or 90% of you watching, aren't subscribed. It'd be nice if you subscribed. See you again.